Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a Samsung Galaxy Watch, follow these step-by-step instructions to pair it with your phone and complete the setup. Step 1. Charge your Galaxy Watch to at least 50% battery before starting the setup process. Step 2. Download and install the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store on your phone. Step 3. Turn on your Galaxy Watch by pressing and holding the home button until the Samsung logo appears. Step 4. Select your preferred language on the watch screen. Step 5. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and tap Start to begin the pairing process. Step 6. Accept the permissions requested by the app to ensure full functionality. Step 7. On the app, tap Scan for devices or your watch model should appear automatically in the list of available devices. Step 8. Tap on your Galaxy Watch in the list to begin pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Step 9. Confirm the pairing code displayed on both your watch and phone matches, then tap OK on both devices. Step 10. Review and accept the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and permissions. Step 11. Sign in to your Samsung account when prompted, or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 12. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up features like automatic backup, location services, and health tracking. Step 13. Wait for your watch to sync with your phone and complete the initial software update if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.